Okay, so.
And it's a good look. It's a good look.
Yeah, people, welcome again, you know. It's a good look TV. Your boy Marsh there with you again. Out there on Rasta farm. I want myself soon link up with Rasta. But yeah, stay tuned and watch what's coming up.
It's a good look.
Yes, people. Today again, man's go on the cattle farm, them kind of so the livestock farm. And we have come through today that day when we have the butchering. And the butchering there, I saw we deal with it because you don't know. Rastafari have to have a little thing going, you know. Rastafari have to have a little thing going, although I don't eat the bird, you know, but I don't know say that it's a value, that savings. So and I saw we deal with it, put it in a one pan, so keep it with them, keep them from no struggle and flap and break. So that's how we do it. See the water there on the fire, so yes, the water there on the fire go and boil it. You don't know, so we have to wet them in the hot water. Wet them in the hot water.
Yeah.
Get out the feather off of them.
See you, man.
Water too hot, you have to still dilute the water. Make it on a level. You know, so see how we deal with them and now when you have to dip them like this. See it, so we deal with it now, because you know, so a yard style, you don't know it, but you just know, so we want to know, so when you're done it, everything final, like, you don't have a machine like us, some people would have a machine for y'all use it like this. Hot water, a pot of hot water, no, so that's how we deal with it, see there. And do it like this. Chip off all the foot them like this, see there. Simple. See, that's how we deal with it, because you don't know what you are today. We can do it like a machine to when the machine I give you all 5 and chip up here and mash up it. And we just do it like this. You understand?
Yeah, where you have over here?
Chicken foot.
Chicken foot on that side. Good look.
Yeah, people on the mission, and you don't know everything active.
Yeah,
so
man.
Good look, people, see there? Chicken here weigh 4 and 5 pounds, you know. And then chicken here a 5 weeks old and something like no come off of them.
Okay.
So they feed right through the day, right through the night. They don't lick no pan business. You know some chicken that lick pan?
Yeah.
The type of chicken them, yeah. Fluffy chicken them.
Yeah, man.
The chicken them, look on them chest plate.
Wow, it's a good
Full
look.
of meat. So you know, so we have to take care of everything we have and love them and keep them alive. Tell them reach a level where you know, say yes. Any customer see them a chicken, them a chicken them want. Them a chicken them want. So them look fluffy and chunky. Full of meat. Although Rasta don't eat them, you know, Rasta have to just go and take care of them, see them on the farm, because you don't know.
Feed the people.
Feed the people them.
Yeah.
They're on the clean up part of the chicken them now, you know. It's just this is called the plucking stage them reach, you know. So we do it like this. So we pluck them people. Yeah. And they get initial out. Just cut out one part so we know say the initial entrance. Initial entrance. You know the initial entrance?
Yeah.
They call it initial entrance. Yeah, when they defecate you, cut out them part and take out the initial out like this. See the people, take out that they call the gizzard. And this is the liver. Yeah, man, that's how we take out them, you know. We deal with the people. Take out the light and all them something. This is the light. And this is one pour the chicken when time it stale before it reach coldness, before it reach ice. That part they call it the light. Easy as spoil. And the part when at the back they call it the back. And something at the back with them keyed out there. One little piece of clad.
Okay.
Yeah, and we do them like this, people. See the running water yourself. The holes. Let's do them like this and wash them properly. See there? Hold it. Wash them out in a container like this. Get them out nice and clean. Put them in one of the container again.
That is it.
Put them over there so we don't wash them like this. Put them from here first. Put them over here. Pull them out now and bigger container over here so they look fresh and nice and clean and pretty.
See you, man.
So them look. So them look over here, so clean them up and nice and cool them out. And flush it and go and cool out till they're ready to bag them up, drain them off and bag them up. So the bird them look on the farm, you know. Yes.
It's a good look,
It's a
Rasta.
good look, people. It's a
Yes,
really
sir.
good look.
See the paper.
It's a good look.